Meaning of electrolysis.
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 Electrolysis. Electrolysis is a process that uses an electric current to break down a chemical compound into its constituent elements or ions. When an electric current passes through a solution containing an electrolyte, the positive ions are drawn to the negative electrode, cathode, and the negative ions are attracted to the positive electrode, anode. As a result of this process, chemical reactions occur at the electrodes, producing new substances or separating elements from the compound. The result of electrolysis can vary depending on the specific chemical compound and electrolyte used.